Next up, Rebel Scum for Handshake. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. This is again a one person or the other quest. In this, we'll need to neutralize the hostiles at YBL1, and if we do it, we'll gain 150 rep with Handshake, and if we don't do it, we'll lose 150 rep with Handshake. But checking Artisan, you'll see Save the Rebellion is a mission that was auto-accepted, and this one will need to take a flash drive and, without using lethal force, place it in the guardhouse between 10 and 5 in the morning, which means the guards are probably not going to be able to see you. You'll sneak your way up, place it down, and get out of there. You'll gain 150 rep with Artisan out of 1,000 for level 2, but you'll lose 150 with Handshake, so maybe you'll want to, maybe you won't. I've done a lot of things for Handshake, so maybe it's time to level up someone like Artisan. I think I'll probably hand it in for her, in which case we'll need to take a flash drive with us. But if we head across to the little part of our base here, you'll find on the table where we found the briefcase previously, a laptop and a flash drive right here. If you want to complete this quest, you need to grab this Peel to the Rebels flash drive. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. Place it in safekeeping. It will probably respawn if you lose it, but I'd look after it just in case. You'll need to head all the way over to YBL1. Just in front of it, you'll find the usual little guardhouse, and you need to find your way into it. I'd recommend you do it from the west side, that way you can sneak in through the bushes and be relatively unseen. You'll need to do it very quickly to get in here, crouch, and place it on the desk. Once you've placed it, you successfully finished this part of the mission, but neither of them will be complete just yet. You need to make it out of there without killing anyone, get on the helicopter, fly all the way back to spawn without dying. Then, as soon as you touch down, the Handshake quest will fail and the Artisan quest will complete. Hand it in, boom, you're done. Assuming you choose to get rid of hostiles, you can do this at any time. It doesn't have to be nighttime. Just simply get rid of the hostiles, boom, you're done as well. Congratulations. Anyways, that's really it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.